Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have iPhone, Access Max, iCloud Lock, how to remove iCloud Lock, iPhone Lock Owner, we forget Apple account, select your country first. This method is without working method, without PC method, no need PC. First, some country method work, so select UK or USA. Okay, without PC, how to remove iCloud Lock, iPhone, Access Max, and your phone. Connect to Wi-Fi first. Get this is platform lock to honor how to remove without PC. Don't miss video, okay? First you need network VPA. Okay, 192.2. This okay. Password Apple unlock guide. Try it 3 to 4 times, okay? Back. Okay. Share. Okay. Restart the phone one time. Restart your phone. Open now phone. Okay. If you have any problem, you can contact with us. Our WhatsApp group link in description. Okay, try. uh, Here, try this code 000 passcode. Try first. Here you see loading. So you can see now. Continue. Adult. Setup letter. Passcode. Don't use. Don't use. Don't transfer. Setup letter. Setting. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Load now. Setup letter. Setup letter. Don't show. Continue. Setup letter. Welcome to the iPhone. Welcome to the iPhone. Okay. How to bypass this phone without PC? If you have any problem, you can comment section and also my WhatsApp number in description. My phone is successful, unlocked. You can see here everything is okay now, working. So this version is 18.7.9. Okay, iPhone Access Max 18.7.9. In this version, your phone will work 100%. Okay. If you have new update, latest update, another video I will show you how to 26.5 for iPhone bypass permanent unlock it, and I hope this method only work in iOS 18.7.9. Okay. If you have iOS version update or latest iOS, so next video I will make 26 update on iPhone. Okay. Like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. This is my phone now proper downloading apps. You can see. Okay, everything is good now. If you have iPhone unlocking, message me for unlock your iPhone. It's working now. Successful iPhone Access Max.